Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. A big shout out to all my subscribers out there. Today's video will be on how to add a green screen subscribe button to your videos. Adding a subscribe button is a great way to encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel while watching your videos. It also makes your content more interactive and gets you more subscribers. So even if you are a beginner, you can follow the simple steps I'll be showing in this video.
First, you need to download a subscribe button image or animation. Go to your browser and type in green screen subscribe button. Scroll through and click on Pixabay. It has a lot of different subscribe buttons you can pick from. Click to open and click here to download the one you like. Using a green screen subscribe button is highly recommended because it makes it very simple to remove background, leaving only the button when editing your videos. Next, head over to CapCut. Click on New Project and import the video you want to add a subscribe button to. Flip through to where you want the subscribe button to show. Tap on Overlay. Add overlay. Import the subscribe button you just downloaded. Scroll through these icons. Click on Remove BG. BG means background. Click on Chroma key. Now use your finger to swipe the screen a little. You can adjust the intensity or add a shadow here if you want. Click on Tick. Now play your video again. Use your fingers to adjust the position and place it where you want.
Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop a new video.